Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to add CCTV cameras to your Girl Tech Fangame. So yeah, let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is join my Discord server, link in the description. And once you're in, you're going to want to go to computer cams and download the Unity package. Now I made this, but you don't have to credit me for it like at all, but you can if you want to. So yeah, once you downloaded that, go into Unity, go into your files. So just go into your files and import it. Alright, so once you've once you import it, all this stuff should show up. If this doesn't show up, it probably will, but if it doesn't, it means it's already there, but I think it shows up anyway. If you already have this script in your scripts folder, then you don't need it, but don't just leave it there, just don't do anything. So click all, and then click import. Just wait for it to load there. Alright, so then you're going to go into the camera kit folder. You're going to get this cams computer, and you're going to just drag it into the editor here. So now you'll see here there's a computer and it has 3 cameras. So so what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna right click it, prefab, and then you're gonna unpack completely just so you can edit it. Now you're gonna go into cam 1 and you'll see that if I move it here, it'll move to different places, and then there's different tabs. So when you click this, it switches to the first, second, and then third. So first, second, third. Now, if you want to add more or less cams, so first off, I'm going to show you how to add less cams. So we're just going to disable this. So the first thing we're going to want to do is, if you haven't unpacked this, just unpack it. So maybe we only want 2 cams, for example. So we're going to go open up cams computer. We're going to go into computer. There's a typo in the model. So now we're going to go into buttons. And where it says like cam 3, you can just like delete this. Hold up, my Unity's lagging. So now you can move these, just center these. So now you have 2 cameras. What you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to go into these, and so for example, we remove cam 3, so where it says cam 3, so we're gonna click into cam 1, and in the place that it says cam 3 right here, just gonna remove it by clicking the minus, and if it's at the top, then just click this little circle thing. Or actually no, if it's at the top, just right click it and then click delete array element. So now we're gonna go into cam 2, delete cam 3 from there again. Alright, so yeah, now we have that. And also you're gonna want to go into here. You have 3 different tabs for the different cameras. Then you're gonna right click cam 3 because that's the camera that we're deleting. We're gonna just delete it. So now it's now that's gone. So that should work. Now I'm going to show you how to add on cameras. So let me disable this real quick. Alright, so what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to, make sure it's unpacked, like I said the first time. Now, I'm gonna go into computer old, like last time, but this time we're gonna go to cam 3 or any camera. I recommend going from the newest cam though, and then you can either use Control C and then Control V, but we're gonna just right click. So we're gonna right click cam 3, and then we're gonna click duplicate. Now we're gonna move this down a little, and this time we're gonna click on the text. So make sure this yellow box is around us, and then once that box is there, in here in the inspector, where go down to text mesh pro text, where it says the text input here, it should say 3 or whatever number is, whatever number you duplicated it from. Now you're gonna want to go in there, left click, delete this text, and type in the next number or whatever number you want it to be. So now that's 4. So we're gonna go to the name, right click, rename. Now we're gonna type cam 4. Now, okay, so listen to this carefully. So whenever you're actually creating the next camera, you're gonna have to do some stuff. So where it says cam 1, cam 2, cam 3, so there's different materials. So there's a render texture and material. So first thing you're gonna want to do is go here. You're gonna go to cam 3, and you are going to duplicate it, and name it cam 4. So we're gonna name this cam 4. Now in the camera kit folder, we're gonna click on cam 3. We're gonna hold control on your keyboard, then press C. Wait, no, Control C. Yeah, so hold control on your keyboard and then press C, and then let go of both buttons. So go to select cam 3, Control C, let go, and now just keep your mouse in here and do the same, but Control V. So like hold control and then press V while holding it. So now we have a duplicate. We're going to rename it to cam 4. And in here we're going to rename everything to cam 4. Cam 4. Oh, sorry, just my computer's being a little. And cam 4. Alright, now in that duplicate cam 4, we're going to go here, and in the cam 4 material, we're going to drag this where the mesh render is, where it says cam 3 or whatever. You drag that on and then let go. It's left click, by the way. So now we have cam 4, right? But cam 4, we don't actually have it existing yet. So where it says it's outside computer old, so it's out here. We're gonna get cam 3. We're gonna duplicate it. We're gonna move it over a little bit. This is how you change it. This is move, rotate, scale, transform. That's like all of them. And then this is the kind of hand grabby thing. And then this is just all of them. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna rename it to cam 4. Kind of the same thing as all the other bits. This time we're going to open up camera 4, and click on the camera that's inside it. Now it should show up in the inspector. Make sure that the thing isn't unlocked. If it's staying on the same tab, just click this because it might be locked. Now you're gonna scroll down, and where it says output texture, it should say the one from the old cam. So since I duplicated cam 3, it says cam 3 is the output texture here. So you're going to grab this, the render texture, cam 4. You're going to drag it onto this one. Bam. Now, that should be working. You're going to go here. And then you're going to click on the material. And in the material, you're going to drag camera 4 into the base map. So now, you'll see, so I'm going to disable camera 1 and change it to camera 3. So that's camera 3. So look, camera 1, camera 2, camera 3, and now the one we added on, camera 4. So yeah, that's how you make like buttons for your computer. Now actually, before we go, I'm just gonna quickly make these like correct. So look, you can do this, make them like square, which I'd probably prefer because it looks a lot better. Now you can make these like even, but you know, this is kind of just like an example, so I don't really care. You're gonna move these down, then you can use transform to make this tiny, or just use scale. That might be easier if you don't know how to use this tool. You just drag the little circles around. And yeah, now I have tested this, so I haven't actually tested this yet, but before you click off, I know this works because in my old Gorilla Tag Fangame I used this exact same system, and I know for sure that it works. So yeah, this is a very simple tutorial, not really like any fancy scripts, just the computer tab script, which you'll need to do a computer anyway, so like just like a normal computer. So yeah, that's how you add like computer cameras to your Gorilla Tag Fangame. Oh yeah, also, sorry, there's something I forgot to mention. So you're going to want to go to your back to your cameras, like the visual ones. So remember, in computer cams kit but outside computer hold, you're gonna click cam 1, select cam 1, hold shift, left shift or right shift, I don't care, depending on if you're left-handed or right-handed. Then go down to cam 4 and click that, or you know, how much to your last cam. So from your first cam to your last cam, and where in the inspector, where it says like the mesh renderer, you're gonna want to turn that off, so then you can't see them. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Good luck with your Gorilla Tag Fangame, and yeah, goodbye.